I'm Erica Hageman, broker owner of Remax Momentum here in Colorado. I've been in real estate for over 25 years, and during that time, I've helped hundreds of buyers and sellers and trained hundreds of agents who have gone on to build amazing careers. Real estate can be one of the most rewarding careers you'll ever have, but it's also important to understand what it truly involves. What real estate is a career. Sometimes a lot of people think it's just you show houses, collect a commission. The truth is, real estate is running and owning your own business. As an agent, you are responsible for generating leads, marketing homes, negotiating contracts, guiding clients through major financial decisions, solving problems during the transaction. I think one thing a lot of people think about a career in real estate is they do not realize that it is a sales career. You need to be able to talk to people voice to voice, face to face, and create relationships. You are helping people through one of their biggest financial decisions of their lives. That's why the best agents build their careers based on communication, marketing, negotiation, local market knowledge, trust. Real estate offers something many careers don't. It does offer flexibility, unlimited income potential, the ability to build your own brand, and the opportunity to really truly help people. But it does require discipline, learning, a lot of hard work, consistent, steady effort, and remember, working works. So how do you get a real estate license in Colorado? If you decide this career is something you want to pursue, the process is actually pretty straightforward in Colorado. There are three main steps to becoming a real estate broker here. Your first step is going to be to complete the 168 hours of pre-licensing education. It is state approved. The course is going to cover things like real estate law, contracts, property ownership, financing, closings, ethics, Colorado real estate regulations. Most people complete these courses online at their own pace, although there are in-person options as well. Next up, you're going to finish the coursework and then you're going to schedule your state exam. The exam has two parts, the national portion and then the Colorado portion. You must pass both sections to move forward. Many students study for a few weeks before taking the exam to make sure they are fully prepared. And then lastly is the background check. So after passing the exam, you're going to need to complete a background check, and fingerprinting is required by the Colorado Real Estate Commission. Once that is completed and approved, you can apply for your Colorado real estate license. The most important step, and it doesn't get talked about a lot at all, doesn't get talked about enough, is getting your license is only the beginning. What really determines your success is the brokerage you join, the training you receive, the systems you learn and most importantly implement, and the people you surround yourself with. Real estate is a career where the right mentorship and education can dramatically change your trajectory. We will cover this in the next video. If you are someone who loves helping people, wants control over your income, enjoys learning, marketing, and negotiation, and is willing to build a business, willing to talk to people, and understand this is a sales career, real estate can be an incredible career. In future videos, I'm going to walk you through how much agents can actually make, what the first year in real estate actually looks like, and how to build a successful long-term career. If you're thinking about becoming an agent, feel free to drop your questions below in the comments, and I'll cover them in upcoming videos. And if you're in Colorado and want guidance on getting started or want a brokerage that helps you reach your goal, I am always happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.